Hey everyone, this is number 6A from the 2018 exam, and I was happy to see a slope field come up because I feel like it's been a while since we have seen a slope field, so this will be a good refresher. The stem of the question gives a differential equation dy dx equals 1/3 x times the quantity y minus 2 squared. And part A says that a slope field for the given differential equation is shown below. Sketch the solution curves. Sketch the solution curve that passes through the point 0, 2, and sketch the solution curve that passes through the point 1, 0. So this question is not asking you to create a slope field. They just have it done already for you, but you are sketching the solution curves through those two particular points. And remember that the slope field graphs for you a family of solution curves, all these different possible solutions. And then if this was your initial condition, 0, 2, or 1, 0, you would be able to see what the original function looks like. But all you need to do for this is go to those points. So if we go to 0, 2, notice the scale of this graph. 0, 2, oh, it's actually marked for you, which is interesting. 0, 2 is right here. So all you're doing is following the slope field, all the little marks that they made. You're following those marks. So if I go to the right, I see a horizontal line segment, and I'm going to keep following that horizontal line segment. And if I go to the left of 0, 2, I have these horizontal line segments, and I'm just going to keep following those. So that's actually it for the solution curve that's passing through 0, 2. So that one wasn't too bad. I'm going to change the color here. I'll use red. And the last one is 1, 0. And notice again, they did mark that point on there for you, which is nice. All right, so 1, 0, here I go. I'm going to go to the right. And, oops, I'm drawing too slowly. I'm just following those markers. I was trying to do that slower so I could narrate it as I go. But you're just following the marks. I want to also look up here because this is sort of trending towards horizontal. So I'm going to do that one more time. Following the marks, it's kind of leveling off like that. And then when I go to the left of 1, 0, I'm following this mark that's horizontal. Something like that, right? See this point right here? That was a horizontal line segment. So it went horizontal for a little bit, and then I kind of followed the points after that. And you adjust your slope as you go according to the little marks that you hit. Those always are a little bit challenging. Here's the rubric. So the rubric is interesting. The solution curve through 0, 2 is 1 point, and that was just that horizontal line. And then the solution curve through 1, 0, I guess it didn't really show that leveling off, so I didn't have to go back and fix that. So just something with this shape for the 1, 0. And then finally, this note was interesting to me. I don't think that I've ever really seen something like this before. It says curves must go through the indicated points, so 0, 2, and 1, 0. Follow the given slope lines. That's what we did. And then this was the part I found interesting. Extend to the boundary of the slope field. So you have to make sure that you go all the way to the edge, to the edges of the graph. Instead of just stopping somewhere in the middle, you had to go all the way to the edge in order to get those points. Okay, and that's it for those sketches.